Hello everyone! This week we're going to teach you how to make 3 amazing Halloween magic potions. You can't miss them because they're the best. Today we make Halloween potions with El Gato Rainbow and La Gata Moon. Here we go. To create our potions, we're going to use these cool little cauldrons that we found. They're great! We start with a super fun and simple potion. I filled this little bottle with water, and we're going to add some glow-in-the-dark paint to make our potion really special. If you're as clumsy as me and the paint comes out a little bit, it's okay, just put it back and that's it. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see the videos that we upload every week. And now we shake the bottle well to mix the paint and the water. Now we're going to cover the base of our cauldron with some dish soap. Perfect! And now comes the fun part. We're going to squeeze the bottle very well so that the water comes out very strong and we create foam in our potion. If you do this with small children, this spot is great to develop the strength in their little hands. Can you see the bubbles being created? We love it! Foam is great to play with, and in this cauldron it looks just like a magic potion. And if we turn off the lights and turn on the black light, it looks so cool! Look, what do you think? The effect is the best, but it lacks something, don't you think? Let's add some ice to make it a scary Halloween potion. Now it looks even better, doesn't it? Let us know in the comments what you think of this potion. By the way, we've created some Halloween games that you can download to use in class or at home. We also have a lot of elements to decorate everything for Halloween, and beautiful drawings to color. We'll leave you the link in the video description. Let's see how the next potion turns out. This time we're going to fill our cauldron halfway with vinegar. And now we're going to add a few drops of coloring. We chose orange so that our potion was 100% Halloween. Now we stir it well so that the vinegar is dyed. And here comes the most awaited moment. The magic ingredient of our potion is baking soda. We're going to pour just a little bit with our hands, and it reacts with the vinegar, creating this cool effect. It's amazing! You can make it in many colors, or even play with the kids to predict what color they think the potion will come out. It's great fun, we highly recommend it. You can also make it the other way around and the same reaction is created. First putting a little bit of baking soda, a few drops of dye, here I tried to mix it but it was impossible, although it's okay because you'll see that the potion will come out orange just the same. Then we add some vinegar and wait for it to react. It's amazing! This experiment never fails, and this time of the year you can't miss it. Have you ever done it? We'll read you in the comments. Let's go with the last potion. This is our favorite. The effect is really cool, you'll see. We take a transparent bottle and pour a few drops of dye. We pour water over so that it gets that color. And now we're going to add baby oil, more or less the same amount that we've added of water. Just like this is really cool because they never mix and the effect is great. But we're going to join the experiment we did before with the vinegar and the baking soda, and you'll see how good it looks with the water and the oil. We add a little bit of vinegar until the bottle is practically full. And now we add a little bit of baking soda, very little. And it reacts with the vinegar and causes the water and oil to move too. But since they never mix, the effect is wonderful. Look how cool it is! At the beginning, it comes out of the bottle as it happened with the potion in the cauldron. But when it stops, you see that it continues to create a reaction inside the bottle, because the oil traps the baking soda and vinegar, and when they get together, they react again. We love this experiment, and we will repeat it for sure. It's a hit, and the kids love it. They can choose to make their potion in any color they want. And look at all the shapes that are created in the bottle. It's definitely our favorite potion from today's video. What about you? Did you like it? Which of the 3 potions we made today did you like the most? The potion with the foam and the little eyes? The one in the bottle? Or the one with vinegar and baking soda? We read you in the comments! We remind you that you have Halloween episodes in our channel and many more tutorials perfect for this season. We'll leave you a playlist in the description of this video. And as every week, it's time for the round of greetings. This week there are 4. Lautaro and Ezequiel, another one for Violeta, another greeting for Ángeles, and another one for Francisco. Thank you very much for watching today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to leave us a big like. And remember, this video is also available in Spanish in our channel. We'll see you next week with a new video. Bye!